Stop building AI apps from scratch. This GitHub repo gives you 100+ production-ready agents you can clone and ship today, completely free. This is Awesome-LLM-Apps, one of GitHub's most popular AI repositories with over 121,000 stars. It's a massive collection of working applications you can actually run. The core promise is right in the README. Clone it, ship it, sell it. It's 100% free and open source under the APACHE 2.0 license, which is extremely permissive for commercial use. This means you can use these apps as a starting point for your own products, freelance projects, or internal tools without worrying about licensing fees or restrictions. Each app is hand-built and tested end-to-end, ensuring they actually work when you clone them. The repository supports all major LLMs, including Claude, Gemini, GPT, DeepSeek, Llama, and Qwen, giving you flexibility in model choice. Let's get a feel for what's inside. The repo is organized into clear categories. You have starter agents, which are single-file apps perfect for learning. Then there are advanced agents with tools and memory. You have voice agents, generative UI, and a huge section on retrieval augmented generation, or RAG. There are also multi-agent teams, autonomous game-playing agents, and MCP agents that connect to external tools. Each category contains dozens of specific implementations, from AI travel planners to fraud detection systems. We'll start by running one of the starter agents. The README gives you exact commands to run any agent in 30 seconds. We'll try the AI Travel Agent, a single-file streamlit app that creates personalized itineraries. First, clone the entire repository to your local machine using the command on screen. This downloads all 100+ apps at once, giving you immediate access to everything from voice agents to RAG pipelines. Make sure you have Git installed and enough disk space. The repository is substantial but well organized. Once cloned, you'll have a complete library of AI applications ready to explore and customize for your specific needs. Once downloaded, navigate into the travel agent's specific directory. Now install Dependencies using the requirements.txt file. This grabs everything needed, like Streamlit and OpenAI libraries. Each app folder is self-contained with its own setup, making it easy to experiment with different agents without conflicts. The requirements are typically lightweight Python packages you can install with a single pip command. Be prepared for this step to take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and system specs. Some apps may require additional system dependencies, but most work out of the box with just Python and pip. Final step before we see it work. Set your OpenAI API key environment variable, then run the app with Streamlit. The command on screen launches the web interface. This pattern applies to most apps in the repository. Clone, install dependencies, set your API keys, and run. It's designed for maximum portability across different environments. For the travel agent, you'll need to set your OpenAI API key environment variable before running the app. Most apps follow this convention, though some might use different environment variable names or require additional configuration files. And here's the result, a running web app. You can ask it to plan a trip for you. Let's try. Plan a 4-day trip to Lisbon for a couple focused on history and food. The agent will take that prompt and generate a complete day-by-day itinerary. This is the power of the repo. You go from clone to a working app in just a few commands. The interface is clean and responsive, showing how these templates are production-ready rather than just proof of concepts. You can immediately see how you could customize this for your own travel business or personal use. That was a starter agent. But the real value for many developers is in the advanced categories, especially RAG. The repo contains dozens of retrieval augmented generation patterns. You can find everything from basic chains to complex, self-correcting pipelines. For example, there's corrective RAG, which grades its own retrieved documents before generating an answer. There's also agentic RAG with reasoning that shows the agent's step-by-step thought process as it retrieves information. These patterns are invaluable for understanding how to build robust retrieval systems that don't just return irrelevant documents, but actually think about the quality of their sources. There's also agentic RAG, hybrid search, and fully local RAG setups that run on your machine without API keys. The local RAG examples let you chat with documents completely offline. Each folder is a self-contained project with its own README explaining the concept. It's like a cookbook for building modern AI systems with various LLMs, including Claude, Gemini, GPT, and open-source models. The local RAG agent uses Llama 3.2 and Qdrant with no external dependencies, perfect for privacy-conscious applications. Another standout is Vision RAG, which lets you ask questions about images and PDF pages using multimodal capabilities. Another unique feature is Agent skills. These are modular abilities you can add to your own coding agents with a single command. For example, there's a skill called Project Graveyard that analyzes your abandoned side projects. Instead of cloning a whole app, you just run the npx skills add command in your terminal. It's a faster way to enhance an existing agent. The skills are designed to work with coding agents like Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, and others. Each skill passes security and evaluation CI gates before being included, ensuring they're production ready and safe to use in your development workflow. Here's the command for that Project Graveyard skill. Just one line to give your coding assistant a new tool. This pattern of composing agents from discrete, installable skills is a powerful glimpse into where the future of agent development is heading. It's less about monolithic codebases and more about a marketplace of capabilities. The skill installs instantly and becomes available to your coding agent immediately. You can then ask natural language questions like, why do I never finish my side projects? And the agent will use this new capability to analyze your GitHub history and provide insights about your abandoned projects and patterns. Beyond single agents and RAG, the repo explores multi-agent systems and agent teams. These are applications where multiple specialized agents collaborate to solve a problem. For example, the AI Services Agency uses Crew AI to create a team of agents that scope and plan a software project. You define the roles, and they work together to produce the output. There's also the AIVC Due Diligence Agent team that performs multi-agent startup investment analysis using Gemini 3. These systems demonstrate how different agents can specialize in research, analysis, writing, and coordination, mirroring how human teams operate, but with AI speed and scale. The variety is what makes this repository so valuable as a learning tool. You can find voice agents that use real-time speech APIs, like this Insurance Claim Live Agent team. There are also agents that generate user interfaces, not just text. The generative UI examples show how agents can render interactive cards, charts, and forms that you can work with directly. For instance, the AI Dashboard Canvas agent lets you describe a dashboard in chat and watch as charts assemble on a live canvas. Another fascinating category is autonomous game-playing agents that can play chess, tic-tac-toe, or even write and run Pygame code completely autonomously. This repo is an incredible accelerator, but these are developer templates, not polished SaaS products. You'll need your own API keys and command line comfort. Use this for rapid prototyping, learning advanced AI concepts, or building portfolio projects to showcase your skills. For developers building real AI applications, this repository is essential. Clone, pick an agent, add your API key, and build on a working foundation.